Hi you guys, so I wanted to come on here and show you what I got at Walmart. So I made a list what we're going to be eating Sunday, so tonight through Wednesday, because 4th of July is Friday or Thursday, so I don't really know what we're planning on doing, so I didn't want to buy a bunch of groceries for that, but I spent about $60 here. I got all of this at Walmart, so I'm going to show you kind of everything I got and kind of my meal ideas for them. So let's just get right into it. So I've been obsessed with BLTs lately, actually BLPs, because I haven't been putting pickle on them. But so I got just some shredded lettuce. I don't know, I really like the shredded lettuce on it. Maybe I'm just weird. For a salad, I got 2 bags of lettuce. I got crispy greens and classic iceberg. I got this dressing I really want to try. Let me grab it. So it's by Wishbone. It's light, sweet, and spicy French. I got this the other day. It didn't have lettuce to try it. So some more cheese, some fat-free cheddar cheese, and I have some in the freezer, so that's why I only got 1. Otherwise I would have got 2 for the recipes this week. And then I got Jason his favorite cheese. He's not a huge fan of the fat-free. And then I got these extreme wellness wraps for enchiladas, beef enchiladas, and you need these, cheese, and chicken. Crap, I didn't get enchilada sauce. Huh? Hey, there it is! Yes! I have this red enchilada sauce. So yeah, that goes with the enchiladas. And then I also, I love cream cheese in my enchiladas, so I'm probably going to do chicken. And I actually got 3 of these. This is my favorite. They're the Hormel chicken breast in a can. I know it sounds super gross, but it's actually really good. And it's not fatty or anything. So that's one brand I really like. So if I do the enchiladas with chicken instead of beef, I'm going to put like half of a stick of the fat-free cream cheese I have in the fridge. Super, super good. And I got a thing of extra lean ground beef, 96.4. A red pepper, onion, tomato for my BLTs, and these are the pickles I use on my BLT. They're so good. Just the kosher dill sandwich slices. Also the hearty garlic one's really good too, but I prefer just this one. Got some manwich. We're going to be having Sloppy Joe grilled cheese this week. Sorry, 98% fat-free cream of chicken and cream of mushroom. So good. Beef broth, which I already had one. That sucks when you rebuy something that you already had, but it's like, it's fine. Can always have extra. Sliced carrots in the can and corn. Some people might think that that's gross, but this in a can, the carrots in a can, so good. And then I got some corn flakes. I'm going to be making the cheesy broccoli casserole. Got riced cauliflower, broccoli. And then I'm also going to be putting organic jasmine rice into it, just because I actually do really like white rice as well. So I got that at Trader Joe's, so I already had that. So if you wanted to do that, I would just pick up some like low point jasmine rice. Got actual broccoli. Okay, and then for a side, I just got some zucchini. I got some celery. Love me some celery. What else did I get? Oh yeah, a cucumber. These ones are my favorite. I think they're the English ones, but they don't have like a lot of seeds and they're not super watery, which that's what I really like in a cucumber. And then I got some matcha green tea. Don't know if this is any good. I've never tried it, but I've been kind of wanting to try to drink some tea for my health. And then, okay, so everybody recommended Healthy Life bread. So every time I go to Walmart, I try to find it, and the Walmart that is by my house, I can't find it anywhere. So I found this Village Hearth Light Italian. Now this, the reason why I got this instead of what I normally get is because it's way bigger and it's so soft. And so I'm like, this would be great for my BLTs. Sorry, I'm obsessed with them. But so 45 calories per slice, so 90 calories only. I think it came out to be 3 points for 2 of them, which the other bread is 2 points for 2 points for 2 of them. So it's really not that much of a difference. Okay, you guys, and then the only thing that I'm missing that I needed to get was my bacon from Cub. I rave about this bacon. Maybe when we come back I will film that so you guys can see what that looks like. Otherwise, I pretty much got everything I needed. So about under $70, about $65 for all of this, including I got Jason his favorite garlic toast. I'm such a good girlfriend. No, so anyways, this is about a week's worth of food, and a lot of this, like for example, like this, the cereal, like the wraps, you don't use it all, so like it'll be used throughout the next week and the week after. And that's kind of why, like, even though I knew I had a beef broth, I just got it anyways, just in case I wanted to make another recipe. And I also got like 3 cans of chicken. Yeah, so I just kind of bulk up. And then same with like the cheese, like I just knew that these recipes would call for a lot of cheese. So my little grocery haul. I hope that you guys like this. If you do, will you please give it a thumbs up, and I will keep filming these. Hi you guys, so it's the same night, it's 12:30. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what we got. I got my favorite bacon. This is the premium turkey bacon, Culinary Circle. Super good. It's my favorite. It's turkey. And then Jason got his, he's trying a new one, a maple one for our BLTs.
Maple bourbon.
Tell him how obsessed I am with my BLTs.
Too obsessed.
Too obsessed. And then I got poppable barbecue and sea salt. And I had to get this s'mores halo top. And then this Tostitos, it's 2 tablespoons, it's 1 point. And then I got some candles. I got this Glade Sweet Pea pear. It smells super good. And Jason liked this Radiant Raspberry, Wild Raspberry. Where are they? And then I had to stop and get these. The Ice plus Caffeine Orange Passion Fruit. So good, you guys. I found these at my local grocery store. And he always has to get a drink. And they're super good. So I hope you guys like my little grocery haul. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and I will film more of these. So this is just, I got all of this stuff from Cub Foods, and then the previous stuff I got at Walmart. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe. I'd love to have you guys stick around. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.